Discover the unseen beauties, culture, and wonders of the East. Prepare to embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the heart of Africa as we uncover the hidden treasures of Southeast Nigeria, a region rich in history, culture, and natural beauties. Immerse yourself in the rugged landscape of Enugu, Owaro, Abakaliki, Oguta, and Okwa. Explore the hills of Ogo, Nsukka, Udi, Afikpo, and Okigwe, and hike through the breathtaking waterfalls of Ohum, Arochukwu, Iziago, and Ezimo, and take a peek into the majestic caves of Ogbunike, Ihuezi, Amancho, and Owerri Zukara. Dive into the vibrant arts, crafts, and festivals of the Igbo culture. Experience the warm welcome from the friendliest of people. Welcome to Southeast Nigeria. Explore Alibo, the land of the resilient.
Yeah.